Tired of that cluttered closet and dreaming of some extra cash? I'm going to show you how to turn those unused items into profit by selling on Temu, and it's easier than you think. First things first, if you don't already have it, download the Temu app from your app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and look for the search bar. It's usually at the top of the screen. We're going to search for Temu Seller Center. Type Temu Seller Center into the search bar and hit enter. You should see a result that directs you to Seller Sign Up. Click it. Now, you'll be taken to the registration page. Fill in all the required information, which typically includes your email address, a strong password, and your phone number. Make sure you use a valid email as you'll need to verify it. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Temu. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. This is a crucial step to activate your seller account. After verifying your email, you'll be redirected to the Temu Seller Center dashboard. This is where you'll manage your listings, orders, and earnings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To start selling, click on the Add Product or a similarly labeled button. You'll be taken to a page where you can create a new listing for your item. High-quality photos are key to attracting buyers. Take clear, well-lit pictures of your item from multiple angles. Use a plain background to avoid distractions. Fill in all the required details for your product listing. This includes the product name, a detailed description, the price, and any relevant variations like size or color. Be accurate and descriptive. The better your description, the more confident buyers will be. Next, choose your shipping options. Temu usually provides different shipping methods, so select the one that best suits your needs and budget. Factor in the shipping cost when setting your price. Before publishing your listing, carefully review all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, click Submit or Publish to make your item available for sale. Congratulations, you're ready to sell on Temu. Now just wait for those orders to roll in.